The red zebra cichlid, Metriaclima estherae, also known as the marmalade cat or the metriaclima estherae, is a freshwater fish native to Lake Malawi in East Africa. It is one of the hundreds of species of cichlids found in this lake and is known for its vibrant red and yellow coloration. The red zebra cichlid was first scientifically described in 1972 by the British ichthyologist Dr. George W. Barlow. The species was named after Esther Grant, the wife of Dr. Barlow's colleague, Dr. Grant, who was instrumental in the collection of cichlids from Lake Malawi. Red zebras are members of the Mbuna group of cichlids, which are known for their rock-dwelling habits and omnivorous diet. They grow to an average length of 4 to 6 inches and live for 5 to 8 years in captivity. In their natural habitat, red zebras are found in the rocky, shallow areas near the shoreline of Lake Malawi. The adult male red zebra has a bright red body with yellow stripes running vertically along its sides. Female red zebras are typically less brightly colored, with a duller yellow-orange body and fewer stripes. The male's coloration intensifies during breeding as a means of attracting a mate and establishing dominance over other males. In the wild, red zebras feed on a variety of foods, including algae, small crustaceans, and insects. In captivity, they can be fed a diet of high-quality pellets, frozen foods, and foods such as brine shrimp and bloodworms. When keeping red zebras in an aquarium, it is important to provide them with the proper care to maintain their health and well-being. This includes providing the right water conditions, diet, and housing. Red zebras are relatively active fish that require a spacious aquarium. A minimum tank size of 50 gallons is recommended for a small group of 3 to 5 individuals. Larger groups will require a larger tank. In the wild, red zebras are found in the rocky, shallow areas near the shoreline of Lake Malawi. To replicate their natural habitat in the aquarium, provide a dense rock formation for hiding places and plenty of open swimming space. They also appreciate some floating plants to diffuse the lighting. Red zebras are adaptable fish and can tolerate a wide range of water parameters. However, for optimal health, it is important to maintain stable water conditions. The ideal temperature range for red zebras is 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. A pH range of 7.5 to 8.5. The ideal hardness range is 10 to 20 dkH. It is important to regularly test the water in the aquarium to ensure that the parameters are within the recommended range. Regular water changes are also important to maintain water quality. Diet. It is also important to feed them several small meals per day, rather than one large meal, to prevent overfeeding and water quality issues. Red zebras are known for their aggressive and territorial behavior, especially during breeding. Males will defend their territory and engage in aggressive displays towards other males, often leading to physical altercations. In a well-maintained aquarium, red zebras can be kept in small groups, with one male and several females, or in a single-sex group of either all males or all females. It is important to choose tank mates carefully and to provide plenty of hiding places and swimming space to reduce aggression. Other peaceful species of cichlids, such as yellow labs or electric yellows, can make suitable tank mates for red zebras. Avoid keeping them with more aggressive species, as this can lead to stress and conflict. Red zebras are hardy fish, but like all aquarium fish, they are susceptible to certain health problems. Regular water changes, proper diet, and good water quality can help prevent disease and maintain their health. Common health problems in red zebras include parasitic infections, skin flukes, and bacterial infections. These can be treated with medication from a veterinary clinic or aquarium supply store. It is also important to quarantine new fish before adding them to the main aquarium to prevent the spread of disease. Breeding red zebras can be a rewarding experience for hobbyists who are looking to add more life and diversity to their aquarium. In order to breed red zebras, it is important to provide them with the proper conditions. A spacious aquarium of at least 50 gallons is recommended for a breeding pair. It is also important to maintain stable water conditions, with a temperature range of 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, a pH range of 7.5 to 8.5, and a hardness range of 10 to 20 dkH. In the wild, red zebras are found in the rocky, shallow areas near the shoreline of Lake Malawi. To replicate their natural habitat in the aquarium, provide a dense rock formation for hiding places and a flat surface, such as a rock or slate, for the female to lay her eggs on. Red zebras are sexually dimorphic, meaning that males and females have different physical characteristics. Males are typically larger and more colorful, with more vibrant red and yellow markings. Females are generally more drab in coloration and have a more rounded belly. To breed red zebras, a breeding pair of one male and one female should be selected and placed in a breeding tank. It is important to choose a healthy, mature pair of fish that are of a compatible size and age. It is also recommended to purchase several young fish and allow them to grow and mature together, which will increase the chances of finding a compatible pair. Once a breeding pair has been established, the male will initiate courtship behavior, such as displaying his vibrant colors, shaking his fins, and following the female around the tank. The female will eventually lay her eggs on a flat surface, and the male will fertilize them. The fry will initially feed on the yolk sacs, but once these are depleted, they will need to be fed foods, such as baby brine shrimp or microworms. As the fry grow, they can be gradually transitioned to a diet of pellets or other prepared foods. It is important to maintain good water quality and to perform regular water changes to prevent the buildup of harmful waste products that can harm the fry. The fry should be separated from adult fish to prevent them from being eaten. The red zebra cichlid is not considered a rare species. In fact, it is one of the most commonly available and popular cichlids in the aquarium hobby. It is widely distributed in the pet trade and is readily available from most local fish stores and online retailers.